Hello everyone, it's Susan and let's just plan. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a little bit of how I'm going to prep for my January 19th payday. I am also going to show you my setup for January 15th. And I want to go over with you, I think, something really good that's very helpful for me that may be very, very, very helpful for you. So I'm still working in the Know Your Worth Happy Planner. I have my Happy Planner in this binder. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I think, let's see, let's first go over this. This right here is extremely helpful for me to understand what bills I have, what payday they're going to come out of, right? So I get paid bi-weekly. So except for 2 months out of the year, I get paid twice a month. So in the first pay of the month, these are the bills I know I have to pay. So when I am completing my page in my budget planner, like I know what I have to document here, right? And then for the second pay, these are the bills that I have to think about for the second pay. I've also documented what is quarterly paid and what is annually paid. So this is like a high-level view of my responsibilities, my financial responsibilities throughout the year. So once I know this, and of course part of this is knowing your net pay, right? And making sure that what you have here for each of your pays can be met by your net pay, right? So like I couldn't add my mortgage to the first pay because it would be too much money. I don't make that much money. I could never pay that. So it has to be realistic, right? So I know I can pay all of these bills from my first pay in the month. And I know that the due date falls just perfectly. So I'm good with paying these on the first pay of the month. And then the second pay of the month is more about the mortgage, right? Because that's well, definitely my biggest payment for the month. And then just keeping the quarterly bills, you know, in the back of my head, like I don't want to lose sight of them, right? Because they tend to come up quickly and it's like all of a sudden you owe hundreds of dollars, right, to the different companies and everything. And then I have my Sirius XM, which is May 1st. When I retire, Sirius XM, I think, is going to be the first thing that I get rid of, because I can live without that. I can, but it's only once a year, and for right now it's okay. But I'm thinking ahead, right? Because for me personally, it's about preparing to retire. That is my why, right? That is why I am doing this. So let's now move over to my January 15th page. So I had done a good part of this in my last video for my budget, but I did go ahead and I added flowers, well, because you have to have flowers. I am going to on every page like this, I have to put the BI for bi-weekly expenses Because it's not weekly. For me, it is definitely bi-weekly. So, I just want to write bi-weekly up there. I write the pay date over here. And then I have all of my bills listed out. All of my bills listed out. And when I get emailed all of my bills, right? So I write down the amounts, which is under this little sticky right here. And then what I also do, and I think you can see this, is I wrote down the date that it's due. So I have some that were due on the 15th, some on January 23rd, January 20th, January 19th, just so that I know, right? Just a piece of information for me. So I'm really, really, really happy with this layout, and I will continue with this format. I do have down here my why, to pay off my mortgage and save for retirement. So, in the next video, we are going to work on this page right here, which will be my January 19th. No, if I said 19th before, that is not true. It is January 29th. My January 29th check will be my next video. It's going to be the budget bi-weekly video will actually post on January 29th. So you will see this video for my January 29th pay on January 29th. So that's when this video will come out, because I do my budget videos every other week. So I hope that this was helpful, and I just have my flowers. I had pulled this page out of whatever sticker book. I mean, it is the Happy Planner. And so like even this, like I had another page that just had a few pieces on it, and I ended up putting it on here. Yeah, so I have this out already to use here, and that's part of what I like to do as well, and that may help you in your budgeting process, is if you feel that need to be creative like I do, even for budgeting, have something that excites you out and ready, right? So that when I sit down to do this page, I'm not starting from scratch. So between having this and having this, I know I'm going to focus on these bills right here, and I know I already have my flowers. So that is just a little piece of information for you. I hope that you liked this video. Please let me know, and let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, so I'll be back in 2 weeks from today with my next budgeting video. And have a blessed week, everybody. Alrighty, bye-bye.